Hey there, my name is Sofia and this is PropellerAds. You're watching the second part of our small video guide about the testing budget. Make sure you've seen the first part and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More exclusive content is coming very soon. Today, we have something really interesting for you. We asked our partners, experienced affiliate marketers, to share their thoughts and tell us about their testing budget practices. Plus, we got an extra comment from our affiliate marketing manager. Let's read the advice and see what we can use in practice. Here is what our account strategist Migli Lascano says. It depends. The budget can be from 50 daily to 1K daily. I might say that this decision depends on the campaign potential. If you're afraid to spend more with no results, just give it some time and analyze data. If you see the results improving, you can increase your spend. Okay, this was a very good general introduction. Budgets can come in all sizes. What is more, they can grow if campaign results are satisfying. Now, let's see how exactly affiliates act. Luke, a well-known affiliate marketer influencer and an active affiliate forum user, says, depends on the offer and payout, but usually around $50 to $100. With CPA goal, it seems more important to just let it run for a few days. If you watched our previous video, we recommended exactly this amount, about $50 to $100 per campaign. As you can see, this advice really works for our affiliates. Let's move on. The next comment is from Zhang, a fresh affiliate marketer you may remember from our follow-along contest case study. Since my offer payouts are very low, I only need about $20 to test new geos or a new lender. It only costs $30 to $50 to test a new offer. These do not include my initial learning costs. Another advice from the first part of our video is also confirmed by practice, and this is a strong bond between the offer's payout flow and your testing budget. The lower payouts are easier flow you have, the less money you need for testing. Oh, and what else do we have? Look, it's a budget counting formula from our affiliate Mateusz. He says, I followed this formula. If you have doubts about the budget, try the formula offered by Mateusz. And we have more formulas for our newcomers. Here's the one from our affiliate Nick. It depends, but I usually around 100 times the offer payout. See how super easy is that, but this is not all. Here comes another comment from our affiliate marketer called Soros. Regarding testing the campaign's budget, I usually start with the CPA campaign, and depending on how many landing pages and offers I run on this particular campaign, I spend 10 times of the conversion on each. An example. My campaign has 3 landing pages and 2 offers split testing all of them. The offer's payout is $1. I will spend around $50 on the test. If after $10 spent I see no conversion at all, I stop. Another working scheme for you. Check it out and try. So after watching our small series on testing budget that contains 2 videos, theory and practice, you know everything you need to know about this topic. Launch your campaigns with PropellerAds and never hesitate to use our guidelines for better results. If you need more guidance, personal account managers for golden and platinum users are available and are always there to help you. So we're done for today, folks. Thanks to all the affiliate marketers who shared their tips and ideas with us. And of course, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, press the bell, and see you soon at PropellerAds. Bye-bye!